everyone, this is Alicia from Shanghai SINOFUDE Machinery Company. Today I will introduce you a gummy candy production line. Its capacity is up to 80 kg per hour. Normally our production line have cooking system, depositing system, and cooling tunnel system. For the cooking system, mostly we have one cooker and one storage tank, but it depends your recipe and your requirements. This is our depositor. Actually, we can control the depositor by the PLC. You can see the brand, our touchscreen brand, and our electric components. We mostly use Siemens and Yaskawa and more international brands. It's the oil tank that can spray oil to the mold, can make the mold smoothly. This is our dynamic mixing system. It can add some heat-sensitive additive. When the additive is fitted to this tank, it can mixing with our syrup. When the syrup mixing completely, the syrup will be fitted to the double layer hopper. Double layer, that means we have electric heating to the jacket. When the depositor works, that means the punches work up and down, that make the syrup depositing to the molds. The molds will move by the chain. And to the cooling tunnel system, we have the cooling fan inside. The molds will run circularly to the demold system. Demolding system. You can see we have brushes and air blower. It can make demold smoothly. The gummy candy fallen down by the conveyor belt, it can be conveyed to the final and fall down to the collector. After, you can also connect the sugar coater and drying room or packaging machine. If you are interested in that, you can contact me. This is Alicia. Nice to meet you.